does. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take
Well, anything from the sea tastes
You're
like the
picky
sea.
though.
Yeah,
They taste like mussels.
a little bit, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm trusting you.
Are they a little bit sweeter?
No.
So it depends.
Add the lemons.
Oh, go ahead.
He just eats lemons.
Oh, you're gonna eat the lemon? So what you want to do? There's a few things you can do with oysters, right? So, I mean, this is a mignonette, right? This is a classical French thing that you have with oysters, right? I really like it. It's got a little bit of shallot and some black peppercorn, right? Just throw it on top of there, right? Beautiful.
Done.
Done.
Yeah, but
Right? Okay, so go for a small guy. And what do you want? You like hot sauce?
yeah.
You like
How was it, Mark?
You don't like hot sauce.
Right. No, the other way.
Yeah. So take it from there.
Slide.
And it's like a
Slide it in.
Well, that's it. You've drunk the lemon now. Now eat the oyster.
Now you can have the oyster part.
The lemon's gone.
The lemon's still in there.
Ready? Open your mouth wide. Open your mouth wide. Open your mouth and eat the oyster now. No, it's gone.
I can smell the lemon.
Now eat the oyster.
Oh.
Open.
Yay.
Was that? You want to try it with nothing? Okay. You can try it with nothing.
What do I do?
Slide it in with your finger.
It'll just go back.
Slide it in with your finger.
Yeah. Don't eat the shell.
No, they're one. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll have another one.
Yeah, they're good. Do you want another Bellini? Do you want another drink? Sure. Yeah? Harley, another Bellini? Yeah.
Can I take another one?
Delicious, eh?
I'm okay, friend.
No, she's okay. Just
You don't like it?
Nice, eh?
Don't spit it out. Okay, she'll eat it. Just eat it.
No, no problem.
You don't like it?
Oh, it's gone.
You don't like it? I like it.
Am I going
that
to like
oceany
it?
taste? It's really nice.
No, am I going to like it if I don't like mussels?
Did you have any sauce with it? Yeah. Oh, you did? Okay.
I want to try one with nothing.
You want to try one with nothing?
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making
Well, no, a bit
it's
more.
not done yet.
Oh no. Oh, that is cringe. You're gonna ruin this song. Stop, Mum. Stop. Like a raccoon. Like a raccoon. Hello, fellow YouTubers and people. I'm just posting to let you know if my internet's even able to post a video that lasts like 2 minutes. I'm just letting you know, sorry, But the internet here is shit. And my laptop's passing out, and my little brother's phone spazzed out, and his laptop, and my stepdad's phone spazzed out, sorry. So everything's spazzed out. And little do you know, we are receiving paranormal activity things here. And we don't really know, but they said to us not to go downstairs in the basement. And we've walked down there a little bit, but it's creepy as fuck. And so far we've had a few paranormal experiences, like my mum and my sister have both been touched on the butt with like small handprints, and my mum woke up and she felt she heard some handprints on the she heard footprints on the floor, like right in front of her while she was asleep in bed. And well, she was, you know, half asleep in bed, and her husband, my stepdad, was asleep in that bed. So shit's going down here. I might die tonight, you never know, but I've had drinks, I had a great evening, but I just want you guys to know that I'll be a little bit slow with the vlogging, and it's really pissing me off because ever since I've been vlogging, I've been getting a lot more attention, but we will see. So much else I can do. The internet's shit, everything's going to shit. We're going back to our normal house tomorrow in Toronto, Markham, so maybe things will be a little bit better. So we will see. But anyway, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it so much. Excuse the loud aircon please, because it's really fucking hot. Yeah, thank you so much guys. I love you. Good night, sleep well. Bye.